name's Corbin Scales, and I'm going to show you how to bake chocolate chip cookies. So, first what you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 375. I already have that going, so that's heating up. Then what you want to do is you want to mix your relatively dry ingredients of salt, baking soda, and flour. So I just mixed that. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your butter and your sugars and mix it into this large bowl. Then what you want to do is you also want to beat in your egg right here. And your vanilla. So I'll just mix that again. Then you want to mix in your dry ingredients into the large bowl. Then when you mix it all together, yet again, once you're done mixing that, all you have left is your chocolate chip cookies, which you mix in right now. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to mix it with a spoon. And you start to get that cookie doughy mixture and texture and all that. All right. Then what you're going to do after that is you're going to take this small spoon and you're going to take the cookie dough, put it on the sheets, and then put it in the oven, which just reached its temperature, to for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that now. Thank you for watching.